Hello everyone, welcome back to a new video on the channel. And welcome back to episode 6. Second episode today. Awesome. So, anyways, today we're going to be doing some really cool stuff. Today we're going to be working on the map. And as you can see, I've made it a lot more bigger. 150% more to be exact. And added a little Christmas tree in the center. This will be a little base that we have to protect in the future or something. But the thing is, the map looks a little bit barren. So I'm going to be showing you guys something really cool that I personally like to do. Whoa. Let's not spend too much time on that. And we're going to make a little forest. So there's this plugin called Brush Tool that I personally really like. And what we're going to be doing is we're first going to find that right here. Yep, that's it. We're gonna just yeah, so what I want to quickly do is just give these all the collision group of present. Yeah, cool. So now we don't have to deal with some zombie errors, mob errors, so we can't actually be able to pathfind through them. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to use this brush feature and this chemistry that I created, and we're just going to do radius 30, spacing 23, and I'm just going to do random rotation, and we'll do a random scale from 0.75 to 1.5. And yeah, sure, we'll add a little bit of wobble to it. Oh wait, actually never mind, no wobble, I don't like wobble. You don't wobble. And as you could see right here, this just creates a little bit more variety instead of our map, makes it look a little bit more cleaner. And then yeah, let's put a little tree over here. Will you give me a tree? There we go. And I just want to remove this one that looks so close to the thing, and we have quite a bit of trees, so let's group all these to, let's do something called decor, and let's put the Christmas tree into decor as well. So now we have a pretty good looking map. Let's see. So now what the issue is let's hit play. I also created more monster spawns, but look, we don't really need to worry about that. The presents are spawning over here. Although we want them to spawn inside of the map, not in this weird area right here, right? First, let's fix the waypoints error. I delete one thing and everything goes wrong. All you need to do if you have the error, you probably don't, because I didn't. You shouldn't have copied this. Yep. But yeah, let's hit play again so we can actually see it. But if you'll notice, we have monsters. And we also have the ability to juke these monsters pretty well using the terrain. Whoa, I forgot how much. Okay. The speed. Okay. Ow. Yeah, these guys have quite a bit of range. But yeah, presents are spawning over here, which we don't want them to. So, first things first is we're gonna need to actually figure out the amount of space this map takes in time. So let's go back to our main, and let's do some coding. So what we first got to do is we are gonna get rid of these stagnant points, and we're gonna create some present logic right here. We're gonna do some math. You know, a lot of you guys don't like math. I personally find it repetitive, even though math is something I'm pretty good at. But yeah, we're just gonna set point A and point B to 0, 0 for now. And all we gotta do now is find the x and z of stuff. So we're gonna do local game map is gonna be equal to workspace.game map, and then the local size is gonna be equal to game map size. And now that is pretty much what we really want right now. So wait, thought this was gonna be let me just try something. Was this gonna be everything that I needed? Yeah. Wow. That is literally perfect. But we are gonna wanna like get rid of the Okay. Ow, ow, ow. That was scary. Well, yeah. And what I do also want is for the ability to like for example, if we were to go over to present, we'll notice that it's always sunk inside the ground, so the easiest way to do that is just copy this position again, pop this guy back into presence, and go over to the AI, not AI, main, and let's just paste that inside of presence. Where's present? Where's presence? Sorry, you have to go over to get random point, and boom. So now if we hit play, let's see. We can grab a present, we can get a stick. Let's get rid of this robot from spawning. Now look at that. We have outsmarted the robots. Whoa, buddy. Nah, you can't get me now, huh? We should probably... But as soon as we jump down here, yeah, we're just gonna die. We gotta make a run for it and kill these elves before they take too much of our HP away. Anyways, yeah, that's gonna be the end of this episode. I know it's quite short, but I do want to get this episode done as fast as possible. But anyways, thank you so much for watching. We're gonna get teleported out of this map pretty soon. Let's just patiently wait to get back inside of the map. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys... Whoa, not you, anyone but you. Die. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Please leave a like, maybe subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Good